Salam and welcome back to AI for Ethiopia. In our last video, we looked at how this course can help. Today, we're going to answer a very basic question. What exactly AI is? When you look online, people make artificial intelligence or AI sound like a magic robot or a movie master that is going to take over the world. But in reality, it is much simpler. AI is just software. It is highly advanced computer program designed to look at patterns, learn from data, and solve problems that way a human would. Think of AI like a brilliant assistant who has read every single book, article, a piece of code ever written. If you ask this assistant to write a letter, look for a disease in a crop leaf, or find a mistake in your Flutter app code, it doesn't actually think or feel. Instead, it looks through billions of past examples in a split seconds, and it gives you the best possible answer. It is an engine. It takes you instruction, which is what we call it prompt, and uses them to do hours of heavy reading, organizing, or brainstorming for you in just seconds. The secret is knowing how to talk to this assistant to get the exact result you need for your study or your business. And that is exactly what we are going to practice starting in our very next lesson. The tool is ready, so go out and try it. Build smart, dream big, and let's keep moving forward.